my name is Ashika Yasmin Onkur and I was born in Bangladesh. But within 5 months, I was shifted to Russia because of my father's job. So there I spent around 6 years where I also completed my grade 1. And from there I went to Philippines, and in Philippines I also learned about the social cultural activities over there since I was a part of American curriculum over there. And moreover, there I was introduced to a variety of people because I was always in an environment of international people, right? So I understood what their country is like and how they speak, how they play games, because I was young back then. So after that, I also went to Saudi Arabia for like a year. So during that 1 year, I saw something different because it was different country. It was not like Russia and Philippines. It was a Middle East country. So it was an Arab country and it was quite different for me. However, I enjoyed staying there, and from there finally I went to Thailand. I stayed there for like 10 years. I completed my middle school, high schools, and if I have to sum up my experience over there, I spent my life over there because I developed myself into an adult. Right, so that transition was amazing. I met so many people during my stay over there, and moreover, in A levels, when I was giving my A levels, I decided to give my IELTS exam as well in order to get admitted to a good university. So unfortunately, even after my preparation for 2 days for IELTS, I was confident, but unfortunately what really happened was my uncle passed away. It was very saddening and my dad was in the verge of breaking down. So I was really sad, and of course it was an emotional period for my whole family. But my mother actually pushed me to give the exam even if the situation was not favoring my side. So I gave my exam, and even though I was really sick, I scored like 7.5 overall, for which I'm really not happy, and I really regret. So nevertheless, I think I did a pretty good job considering all the scenario that I was involved in. So after that, I actually figured that maybe this is something that I can utilize in my life. So I use that IELTS knowledge in order to guide others, in order to teach others around me. So a lot of people who were my friends back then, they decided to ask me or have me as their guide or a teacher or a mentor in order to explain them the IELTS format and everything. So I was a pretty good teacher over there in my own school, and after that I also developed my teaching abilities from teaching online. I also applied in many places in Thailand in order to give IELTS instructions or IELTS guide. So yeah, and after that I completed my graduation in computer engineering, and that's about it. Right now I'm back in Bangladesh. Thank you so much and have a good day.